Om Namah Shivaya. Here was seeing beautiful collections of Navaratna gemstone rings, which works perfectly with the astrology chart and gives extremely very huge success to you. This all gemstone rings will break your obstacle facing and gives you extremely huge success and popularity and happiness and health wealth in your life. All are such a wonderful stones and all gemstones of superior quality collected from the superior area. For example, Zamian emerald, Burma ruby, Sri Lankan yellow sapphire, Kashmir blue sapphire, all are superior quality gemstones collected from the superior area and made ring in pure gold and many other materials, which works perfectly with the astrology chart and gives you huge success and happiness in your family life. You can feel wonderful energy vibration from every ring. You can feel energy and vibration from every ring, and all rings are done in high spiritual manner. All rings are done in high spiritual manner. We can feel practical energy and vibration from each ring. Om Namah Shivaya.